Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 6.2 inch screen in a commercial truck. It's a 2018 GMC Savana. So if you have any commercial truck, you can bring it to us. We can add cameras. We have OEM fit cameras that we can add to most of the commercial trucks. In this specific GMC Savana, we add our 6.2 inch Android screen. That was the factory radio that it was installed in the car. We install our 6.2 inch screen in it. So by clicking on home button, it goes to the main screen. By going to reverse, you can go to the backup camera. By going back to the park, you can go to the main screen. It gives you offline map, online maps, and all those cool features. If you're interested to get this job done, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy this unit online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.